In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find journal entries on QuickBooks Online. If you've ever needed to review what was posted to your books, whether you're double-checking an adjustment, tracing an error, or simply auditing activity, the built-in journal report is the fastest way to see every journal entry in one place. Start by heading to the left-hand navigation panel in QuickBooks Online and selecting Reports. This opens the Full Report Center, where you can access every standard report available in your company file. At the top, you'll see a search bar designed to help you jump straight to what you need. Click into that search bar, type the word Journal, and select the journal report from the list that appears. QuickBooks will immediately run the report for you. Once the report loads, you'll see a list of all journal entries in your company for the period currently selected. The journal report lays out each transaction with dates, accounts, debits, and credits, making it easy to review exactly what was posted and confirm that entries balance. This is particularly helpful when you're verifying end-of-month adjustments, reviewing entries an accountant created, or investigating unusual movements in an account. Now, you'll likely want to narrow the results to a specific time frame. At the top of the report, find the date or report period controls. You can choose a preset period, such as this month or last month, or set custom start and end dates to focus on the exact window you're reviewing. Adjusting the date range is the key to making this report meaningful. Too wide, and you'll see more than you need. Too narrow, and you may miss entries you're expecting. If the report comes up empty, broaden the dates to make sure the entries fall within your selected range. As you review, scan the dates, reference numbers, accounts affected, and the debit and credit columns to confirm entries align with your expectations. If you're troubleshooting, compare amounts to your trial balance or account registers to ensure everything ties out. Remember that the interface may look slightly different depending on product updates, but the path is the same. Go to Reports, search for Journal, run the journal report, and adjust the date range. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks and a quick date adjustment, you can quickly find and review any journal entries in QuickBooks Online. If you found this helpful, keep this workflow in mind whenever you need a clean, comprehensive view of what's been posted to your books.